Hi, do you speak English? You speak English?
Little.
A little. My name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. I saw you walking. You look really nice. I like your style. You're very beautiful. I just wanted to ask if you'd like a quick photo. It's completely free.
Yes.
Yeah. What's your name?
Manon. And you?
Manon.
Manon.
Manon. I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. So yeah, we can do it here really quickly. So Manon, I have a question.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite profile?
That's really.
No, so you're perfect on both sides. That's very nice. So yeah, let me really quick. So can you put the phone in? That is a beautiful bag.
Thank you.
Can you stand like this? The bag. Ooh, very nice. And can I get a serious face? Ooh, and can you look over there? Ah, yes. Beautiful. Perfect. Woo. Yes. Wow. Now I have a question for you, Manon. What makes you happy in life?
My friends.
Your friends? Your studies? Okay. That's beautiful. Well, here are the photos. So this.
Okay.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
What do you think? Do you like them?
Yes. Hey, that's great.